For the past few months, I've been using worship backgrounds from churchmotiongraphics.com. In this video, I want to explain why this is my favorite resource for abstract motion backgrounds, and I'm going to walk you through my workflow for downloading and using those backgrounds in ProPresenter. This video is brought to you by Lead Worship with Ableton, a free training to help you get started with the #1 worship leading software. With Ableton Live, you can run a click, backing tracks, and automate lyrics and lighting. It's the best tool for increasing excellence and eliminating distracting mistakes in worship. Click the link in the description to enroll in the free training today. My name is Jake Goslin with Churchfront.com, an online resource for creative and innovative church leaders. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can receive all of our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your church. The question of the day: what type of motion backgrounds do you use at your church? Make sure you include links below in the comments as well so we can check out those resources. In most worship gatherings, the congregation spends a whole lot of time looking at the projection screens so they can read along with the lyrics of a song. At my church, Mission Lakewood, our projector screen is a wide screen at the back and center of the stage. Not only does it project lyrics, but it also plays a significant role in the aesthetics in the design of our stage. So motion backgrounds are kind of a big deal. When searching for visuals to add to our screen, my criteria is pretty simple. It must look amazing, it has to be modern and relevant looking, it can't be distracting, and it must complement our lighting system. And then most importantly, it cannot be cheesy. For so many years, as I've been a worship leader for the past decade, it seems like the realm of worship backgrounds has been plagued with cheesy graphics. Sometimes I enjoy making my own motion backgrounds, which I made a video about before, as I capture footage here around Colorado. But that takes a lot of time to shoot and edit. That's why I've been grateful for the resource that Church and Motion Graphics has been for me over the past few months at Mission Lakewood. In a matter of seconds, I can download high-quality, non-cheesy, abstract motion backgrounds into ProPresenter. They always look great and they complement our stage design. Here's a look at my workflow. It's really simple. On the Church Motion Graphics website, I log into my account. I have the premium account, which gives me unlimited access to all their creative assets. Next, I find their latest pack of backgrounds. Every month, they come out with a new one. With my premium account, I can also browse through their previous bundles of backgrounds. They make it really easy to either download the complete bundle to my computer's hard drive or just to save it to our Dropbox account. And we actually do use Dropbox to store and manage all of our backgrounds. I have a master folder which I contain all of my media for ProPresenter, and then I create subfolders for all the different packs of backgrounds. Then in ProPresenter, I create a unique playlist labeled the name of the pack that I downloaded from Church Motion Graphics. Then I simply just drag and drop the appropriate packs into the appropriate playlist, and then I have a large collection of backgrounds to choose from. I use Ableton Live to automate everything in ProPresenter, including my motion backgrounds. So each week I work through my set list in Ableton and I queue up the right backgrounds at the right time. Sometimes I'll use one pack of motions or one style of motions for the whole service to keep the look consistent. Other times I'll mix it up throughout the service. And then sometimes I'll use one background per song, and sometimes I'll use multiple backgrounds throughout a song. I'm also intentional about keeping colors coordinated between my motion backgrounds and lighting design. A quick note about the font we use all caps Montserrat. I think it looks great, people can see it. Since we project on the screen at the back of the stage, we want to make sure that our congregations can see over our musicians and see the lyrics, so we align our text to the top of the slide so it's easier for them to read. I've never had anyone in the congregation complain about our visuals in worship. It looks good and it's functional. Even if you don't sign up for a membership with Church Motion Graphics, you can download their free still backgrounds. They took a still frame from each of their motion backgrounds and made them available for everyone to download. It's super generous of them. For most churches, their membership plans are a no-brainer. Think about how often you need high-quality graphics for worship. Church Motion Graphics creates new content every month, and their user interface makes it simple to download what you need in a few moments. I've included a link to their website below, so go have a look for yourself, download some of those free graphics and try them out at your church, and then when you're ready, sign up for a membership plan so you can get their latest and greatest content. Big thank you to Jeff McIntosh and his team for creating this resource that's helping thousands of worship ministries across the globe. And if you haven't already, request to join their Facebook group. It's called CMG Visual Church Media. I'm going to include a link to that in the description of this video as well. It's a very well and intentionally curated group where you can learn from others who are also, in the worship space, especially more specifically the visual aspect of worship, and you can stay up to date with the latest resources from Church Motion Graphics. I mentioned earlier how I use Ableton Live to automate lyrics and background video changes in worship. If you are interested in this wizardry, well, make sure you sign up for my free training, Lead Worship with Ableton, linked below in the show notes. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends in ministry. You can watch some related videos right over here, and don't forget to subscribe to the Churchfront channel so you can continue to receive our latest content to help you grow yourself and grow your church.